Hello, this is Tom at the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I am finally back to work on the sawmill after a lot of time spent getting the first cutting hay up. And what I'm starting out right now on is the track system that I'm missing. So this will be the extension of the rail. And so I've just got to cut some pieces to weld onto that, so that I've got some places to bolt it down to the wooden parts of the rail system. So making use of my new bandsaw here. I need to get some work done on this machine here. I need to make a drip pan for it, and then this hose with the coolant in it, I need to figure out a way to hold it into place so that it'll just stay there and I don't have to hold it. Well, I love that machine. I got a little bit of work I got to get done on it. Got to fix up the system for cooling it a little bit better. And this, I don't know why it's designed that way. This clamping system just doesn't hardly work very good. I got to work on it a little bit and see if I can improve on it. And then I just need to make a quick adjustment down here with this shut-off switch so that when it's done, down at the bottom of it's cut, so that it'll turn the machine off. But other than that, boy, that's nice. Have a nice clean straight cut, and you're not chucking sparks everywhere like you do with the angle grinder. Pretty nice machine. So this is what the end product is going to look like. I'm going to weld these wings on, and this is obviously upside down, and then this will sit down against the wood and bolt down to the wood. And so I've got them to just go on down the rail here every so often. I'll get them welded up now. Got this last rail together. I think that'll work just fine. One thing about a build like this, if I do something and it doesn't work, all I got to do is start over. Let's go set it up there on the track and see how things line up. Okay, got it sitting on there. I think it's going to work perfect. Look how well this joint lined up there. Got the sun shining in the wrong spot. Anyway, that joint looks really nice where they two come together. So I think that we're good to go here. I got to string out a straight line and get it all lined up perfect and screwed down. And got one more section, another piece of the puzzle put together. So thanks for watching.